Hello, Professor. My name is Li Jiaxin. My thesis topic is research on the influencing factors of consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles, and I will mainly focus on the abstract state of the problem, objectives of the study, research methodology, discussion, and conclusion. Since the 21st century, the automobile industry has been an important pillar industry of the national economy, and the new energy automobile industry is a strategical emerging industry. The market prospect is broad, as the international community advocates energy saving and emission reduction. More and more consumers are paying more attention to the energy saving and environmental protection attributes of products when purchasing family cars. Despite the maturity of new energy battery technology, the development of the new energy automobile industry still faces the challenges of low market share and insufficient consumer motivation to purchase. Enhancing consumers' recognition and willingness to purchase new energy vehicles is an urgent problem for enterprises to solve, which is also the main thesis of this thesis. To address the above issues, this paper uses empirical methods to focus on analyzing the main factor affecting consumer willingness to purchase new energy vehicles: the questionnaire survey and SPSS data analysis, descriptive statistical analysis, Chi-square test, reliability and validity test, correlation and regression analysis are used to explore the factors affecting consumers' willingness to purchase. Okay, let's talk about the problem statement. In recent years, the new energy automobile industry has shown a faster and better development trend. However, in reality, the new energy automobile industry is still facing many challenges in market promotion. Number one is environmental problems. With the increasing number of motorized vehicles and new energy vehicle registrations, the pressure on energy security and environmental pollution has increased. Using non-renewable or high carbon emission energy sources to supply new energy vehicles cannot be truly environmentally friendly. Number two is battery technology challenges. In terms of capacity, life, and safety, battery range issues affect the convenience of users traveling long distances. Number three is battery recycling and reuse. The power battery recycling system is still in the early stages of development, and the recycling system for retired batteries needs to be improved. Number four is insufficient consumer awareness. Consumers are still holding a wait-and-see attitude as their knowledge of new energy vehicles is insufficient, and their consumption potential has not been fully released. Number five is charging convenience. Charging facilities are not popular enough, affecting consumer confidence in new energy vehicles. Meanwhile, long charging time also limits the acceptance of new energy vehicles. The research objectives of this article aim to provide insights into the various aspects that influence consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles, including personal factors, different consumer perceptions, product attributes, economic factors, and policy factors. By accomplishing these objectives, this study attempts to provide insights that will help improve consumers' perceptions of new energy vehicles and ultimately their willingness to purchase new energy vehicles. It can also help automobile manufacturers formulate category sales strategies based on market demand and expand the sales and market share of new energy vehicles. At the same time, it provides public policies for relevant departments to optimize and design guidance for consumers to purchase new energy vehicles, and promotes the popularization of new energy vehicles through policy advocacy and administrative subsidies. The research methodology section of this paper consists of the following 5 parts. Number one is variable setting, consumer demographical characteristics, awareness of new energy sources, consumer purchase intention, product factors, economic factors, and policy factors. Number two is research hypothesis. These 5 hypotheses are formulated based on relevant theories, such as the theory of planned behavior and the technology acceptance model. First of all, There is a significant difference between different demographical characteristics variables in consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles. Number two is there is a significant differences between different consumer cognitive situation variables on consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicle. Number three is product factors have a significant positive effect on consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles. Number four and number five is economic factors and policy factors have a significant positive effect on consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles. Okay, about the questionnaire design. Concerning maturity scales, relevant theories, and combined with the characteristics of the new energy vehicle industry at this stage, the actual marketing situation to design and improve the questionnaire scale to ensure the effectiveness and the responsiveness of the questionnaire. Number four is data collection. Data collection was carried out using the questionnaire STAR platform, distributed through various online channels such as WeChat, Weibo, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on. About model building, based on literature research, the factors affecting consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles are summarized into four aspects: consumer personal factors, product factors, economic factors, and policy factors, of which consumer personal factors include consumers' demographical characteristics and consumers' knowledge of new energy vehicles. The data collected was analyzed using SPSS software. About descriptive statistical analysis, among all the influencing factors, the safety of new energy vehicles and the convenience of charging facilities are most important to consumers, followed by charging time and the maturity and reliability of new energy vehicle technology. The overall analysis shows that the infrastructure construction of policy factors has the greatest influence on consumers' willingness. The product factors have a higher influence than the economic factors. About reliability and validity tests, the overall reliability coefficient is 0.885. All Kumbach alpha coefficients are larger than 0.7, and it passed the KMO and Barrett's spherical tests, which concludes that this questionnaire has good structural validity through the validated factor analysis. Correlation analysis shows that the four independent variables are positively correlated with the willingness to purchase, and all of them pass the significance test. Then the correlation analysis of each element of these four variables was conducted separately. It was concluded that, except for the depreciation cost in the economic factors, all of the other variables have a positive correlation with consumers' willingness to purchase a new energy vehicle. Among the policy factors, charging infrastructure has the highest relevance. Logistic regression analysis with product factors, economic factors, and policy factors as independent variables, purchase intention as dependent variables, shows that these four independent variables are significant. Hypotheses 3, 4, and 5 are confirmed. Vehicle performance factors have the most significant influence on consumers' willingness to purchase new energy vehicles, followed by infrastructure factors, and policy factors have the least influence. The Chase-Squire test was used to test the correlation between consumers' factors, consumers' knowledge of new energy vehicles, and their purchase intention. Shows that education level, number of family members, number of cars, and consumer awareness variables are significant. The study results show that consumers rank the factors influencing their purchase intention as follows: product factors, infrastructure, economic factors, and public policy. At the government level, we suggest stressing publicity efforts to raise environmental protection awareness to build consumer trust, improving incentive policies such as parking and replacements. Additionally, the government should oversee the construction of charging facilities to ensure. At the enterprise level, we recommend focusing on technological innovation and improving core technology. Companies should develop marketing strategies tailored to consumers' needs and promote new energy vehicles through continuous online and offline advertising. Moreover, improving the service system and establishing a professional after-sales protection system will boost consumers' purchase intention. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your listening.